What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a walk around of my Jeep Wrangler JKU. This is my 2014 Jeep Wrangler JKU. It is a Sahara edition. To start with, underneath I have a Dana Ultimate 44. I bent my Dana 30 with these 37s pretty quickly off-road, so I went with the Ultimate 44. It does have 456 gears and an electric e-locker. I have the Yeti Steer Smarts top mount drag link and the Yeti Steer Smarts track bar, both very beefy. I do have the Barnes 4-wheel drive front tie rod that is aluminum. It does have 1-ton tie rod ends and it has held up very well in the rocks. I do have TerraFlex ball joints up front as well. Front bumper is an EAG front stubby bumper. It does have a Rough Country 9.5 synthetic rope winch. Headlights are Oracle LEDs. The fenders all around are KBD polyurethane fenders. I really like these fenders because I've hit them against trees, etc. They've been scratched up and they have really held up well. They still look amazing and I love the short fender look. For tires and wheels, I have 17 by 9.5 ion alloy wheels. Tires are 37 by 13.5 Cooper STT Pros, and I cannot say enough good things about these tires. They look amazing and they perform extremely well off-road. Underneath, the only thing I really have is a Adams front drive shaft, which is extremely strong. Highly recommend them. On the sides here, I do have what I believe is Barricade rock sliders. And of course a color matched hardtop and a light bar with an unknown brand. Moving to the back here, not a whole lot in the rear. I do have the stock Dana 44 in the rear. It does have 456 gears with an ARB air locker setup. I do have a Smitty built rear tire carrier as well. I really like this rear tire carrier. It's been very strong. Not a matching spare, but it is a 37, so eventually I'll get a matching spare on there. I do have Fox shocks again in the rear, and again Dana 44 with 456 ARBs. I did cut off the rear exhaust because I did bash it on a rock, so it really wasn't much use anymore. I'm not running a rear bumper right now. I really like the look of not running a rear bumper. Eventually I may add the Evo rear fascia. These wheels have been great. I've hit them on rocks a lot and they've really held up well. Along with the 37 Coopers, I am running a 1.5-inch Spider Track spacers. That is only so I don't rub in the front because it was getting very close. I am saving up for beadlocks, which will be the next mod more than likely, being that I've beat up these wheels pretty good. So yeah, beadlocks are definitely in my future so I can get rid of those spacers and have a high offset. I am very happy with this setup as well. It performs very well off-road. It flexes very well. I did forget to mention it does have 3.5-inch lift coils. They are Rough Country from the previous owner, which will be replaced soon. Under the engine bay here, I do have a K&N drop-in air filter. Of course, it's a 3.6. And then I also have the S-Pod, which I absolutely love, and the ARB air compressor, which has been amazing, and it works very, very well. In the end here, I'll include a few clips of the Jeep actually in action. I do have a few wheeling trips coming up that I will be videoing, so I'm really excited about that. Hit that subscribe and that like button if you want to see more. If you have any suggestions for videos, just drop it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.